In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms personnels, sujet, but more precisely, we will see il. So, what are les pronoms personnels, sujet? Subject pronouns in French are used to replace and represent the subject of a sentence. They vary based on the person, number, singular or plural, and sometimes gender, masculine or feminine. So, this lesson is about il. The subject pronoun il is translated to they in English, specifically when referring to a group of males or mixed gender group. So we will see some examples with il. Il joue au tennis tous les week-ends. Il joue au tennis tous les week-ends. Ils vivent à Paris. Ils vivent à Paris. Ils parlent plusieurs langues. Ils parlent plusieurs langues. Ils dînent au restaurant ce soir. Ils dînent au restaurant ce soir.